just to clarify, we are a completely for-profit private limited company. We are based in Bombay, that's our head office, sales office, and what we've done is essentially taken the BPO to the bottom of the pyramid. So you will find a Gurgaon-based world-class BPO in the middle of nowhere, which is Pilani. So that's what we've replicated the entire BPO paradigm and put it into Pilani, a rural setting like Pilani. Now, so what do these rural people actually do? So this is BPO, back office services. So we begin from right at the bottom of the pyramid, which is data entry digitization, which you mentioned. So that is also, we've done a lot of work for our Junjunu district in Nadega, in fact. Vernacular voice services, we run a call center process for the civil services, a civil supply department. Medical transcription, which is basically for the US healthcare industry. Now, for those of you who don't know what is medical transcription, it is transcribing, it is converting the audio files of US doctors into Word documents. Now, this is actually getting done by rural housewives. And so the challenges are many, right from accent, the US accent, to even understanding the medical terminologies. So how do you say we did it? It is basically, at the end of it all, this is repetitive processing. Even you listen to a US doctors 4 hours a day every day. Within a month, you will understand the US accent. So it is completely practice makes perfect, and we have tried to identify verticals in the BPO industry where rural people can really compete over a period of time. So the essence was training, which I will come to it in a bit. What we've actually built over the last 1 year, which we are very proud about, is social media outsourcing. People in our facility actually run social media campaigns for corporate companies. We recently did a social media campaign for Lenovo. Now by campaign I mean engaging with customers online. A lot of people having laptops here are actually on Facebook currently. So if you actually go and say, I'm enjoying my beer, Kingfisher beer, people in Pilani will come back and tell you cheers, because we are managing that account right now. So it's conversations are being tracked all over the place, and we are trying to manage the brand presence online across the net. So we build tools that make things very simple, and where we can integrate the rural workforce into these verticals. How have we been able to do this? Take a simple example of a call center. ICICI call center, you call up, you press 1 for English, you press 2 for Hindi, it goes to the same person. That's the state of the call center, and unless you start talking in English, they won't talk in English. So what do? They apply scripts. It's all scripted. When they come and sell you ICICI insurance over the phone or credit card, it's completely on the script. So what we have developed is exhaustive scripts for people to engage online with customers. So they have exhaustive scripts, or if somebody comes and says that we are also managing a Lakme account. So if somebody comes and says, somewhere in the internet they post, I had a wonderful facial, right? We will go and say, thank you, here's a 10% discount. So these are the kind of things that we are doing. So it's very, very repetitive, and it's completely unique from what other rural BPOs are doing. We are completely proud of what we have done with medical transcription, social media outsourcing. So we are actually it gives it's a huge sense of satisfaction when you see that people in Pilani, rural men and women, are actually servicing doctors in the US, and it's completely it's completely changed the paradigm back there. So one of the trademark programs that we have developed in coordination with the Birla Institute of Technology Science, the premier institute back there. I am in fact a graduate of that university, is building a share program, which is speak here and read English. So when we this is something that took a lot of time to develop. It's been 3 years, so we kind of fine-tuned the program. So now if you give me a 12th class graduate, I'll put him onto this program for 10 weeks, and he will have enough English language proficiency to take up a BPO job in any city. So I'm talking non-voice processes, not really the call center processes for international companies, not that. So a lot of computer training, a lot of internet exposure, soft skills training, getting the quality paradigm in, etiquette, professionalism, all that is taught over a period of 3 months, 1 month of on-the-job training, and they're ready to go. So one of the advantages of taking this whole model into rural India, it's basically low cost. It's a 40 to 50% cost advantage because of low salaries, number one, because of also and also nil attrition. Our attrition since the beginning has been just 5%, whereas you will find attritions of 50% in urban BPOs because of all the changing of jobs for higher salaries and all that. And why is this happening? Because we are essentially taking employment to the doorsteps of rural India, and people are very aware of this concept called PPP, purchasing power parity. Any of my employees will be capable enough to go to a Gurgaon or Jaipur, which is just 200 kilometers away, and get a job for probably 10,000. They get 4,400 rupees on an average in my company. Now they don't do that because it is just a hassle. It is a period of tension when they go to the cities, right? They can't manage transport, they can't manage accommodation. They're staying with 5 other roommates, and the food is a problem, and they just lose their health and come back. We've seen this.